Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. For today's tutorial, I wanted to show you how I turn myself into this Bratz doll right here. This is the image right here, which I will be using for today's inspiration. I tried to also wear a shirt that was similar, so that's why I'm wearing this kind of mesh see-through black shirt, and I also wore this wig that I had at home. So let's get started with the video. To start off, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the brow definer. I'm going to first use a spoolie to brush up my brow hairs, as you can see here, and I'm going to probably fill them in pretty dark, just because with the Bratz dolls, everything is really bold and really defined. Then I'm going to set them in place using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is her brow gel, and I'm going to just brush the hairs upward again and just set them in place. Then going in with the Subculture palette, also by Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm going to be using this color right here, Dawn, and I'm going to be placing that with a really large fluffy brush all over my eyelid and all over my brow bone as well. Then once that's blended in, I'm going to be taking a smaller brush and using the color Mercury right here. I'm going to be focusing this color on the outer edge of my eye. I'm placing it here and then using circular motions to buff it into the outer edge of my eye, and then slowly bringing that color into my crease as well. I'm then taking the color Destiny, and with this color I'm taking it on a flat tip brush, and with this brush I'm applying it all over my eyelid as a really nice even base for the glitter that we're going to put right over this. Then taking the color Electric, this is a really nice green shimmery color. I'm putting this right over top, and this is going to really give that nice glitz and glam that Bratz dolls have. Taking the color Cube on a smaller brush, I'm going to take this and I'm going to apply it simply onto the inner tear ducts of my eyes. This is going to really add that really kind of fluorescent kind of pink pop of color right into the eye and really make it pop. I'm then going to start shading my nose and contouring it as well. For this, I'm going to be using a bronzer, and I'm just taking it down the sides of my nose, and this will really help to define my nose and make it a lot slimmer and sleeker, kind of like a Bratz doll. I'm then taking some of the bronze and I'm just applying this on the bottom of my lip. This is going to create that nice shadow and make your lips look a lot more plump, and this is a trick to make them look bigger. Taking this Tartiest Pro liner, I'm going in with the pencil side and I'm applying this onto the lower lash line, and this is going to really just help to make your eyes pop and make them look a lot more defined, and again just kind of giving that Bratz doll look. I'm then taking these beautiful glam lashes by Voss and applying them to my lashes to give that really beautiful glam effect that Bratz dolls have. Taking the Bad Girl Bang mascara, this is by Benefit Cosmetics. I'm taking this and I'm applying it to my lower lashes, and this is going to really just help to kind of bring your lashes outward and make your eyes pop that much more as well. I then went back into the Tarteist Pro liner, and I'm now taking the liquid liner side and I'm drawing on some lower lashes, and by defining these you're going to look a lot more doll-like. Taking the blush by Tarte, this is the Tarte Quirky blush. I'm taking quite a bit of that and I'm packing it on. The Bratz girls are known for lots of color and lots of vivid brightness on their cheeks, so that's why I'm really packing it on. I'm then taking the Stockholm highlighter. This is by Nomad Cosmetics, and I'm applying that onto the high points of my face, my cheekbones, my brow bone, down the bridge of my nose, and onto my cupid's bow as well. I'm then going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. This is in the color Heathers. This is a really beautiful deep red rich wine color, and I felt that it went with it was just the perfect color for the inspiration image that I did have. So it really matched it perfectly. I love how rich and deep it is, and it was just really bright and vivid. So I'm first using the applicator to line my lips. I'm going all around my lips, and then I'm filling them in and making sure that all parts are just nicely colored in. And this is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and stay tuned for more.